Anticipated 50% adoption rate of blockchain solutions in 2024, transforming healthcare, real estate, and logistics. Overview. The projected adoption of blockchain solutions is set to reach 50% by 2024, heralding significant transformations across various sectors, particularly in healthcare, real estate, and logistics. This report synthesizes insights from multiple sources to highlight how blockchain can enhance security, efficiency, and interoperability while also addressing challenges that may hinder widespread adoption. 1. Integration of information. Blockchain technology is increasingly recognized for its capacity to provide secure, transparent, and efficient data management solutions. The following outlines how it can be integrated into key sectors. Healthcare. Blockchain can revolutionize patient data management by enabling secure sharing of medical records among authorized parties. This not only protects patient privacy but also streamlines processes like patient verification, billing, and clinical trials. Enhanced data integrity helps reduce fraud and ensures that healthcare providers have access to accurate information. Real estate. In real estate, blockchain can simplify complex property transactions by providing a secure digital ledger for title management and ownership history. The use of smart contracts can automate processes such as escrow and property transfers, thereby reducing the need for intermediaries and minimizing the potential for disputes. Logistics. The logistics industry can leverage blockchain for real-time tracking of goods throughout the supply chain. By providing a transparent and immutable record of transactions, blockchain can enhance trust among stakeholders, improve inventory management, and reduce losses due to inefficiencies or fraud. 2. Common key points. Several recurring themes emerge from analyses of blockchain's impact across these sectors. Security and transparency. The use of blockchain ensures that data is not only secure but also easily auditable. This addresses long-standing concerns regarding data integrity and privacy, especially in sensitive industries like healthcare. Efficiency and cost reduction. By automating processes and reducing reliance on intermediaries, blockchain can lead to significant cost savings and increased productivity. The speed of transactions can also improve, benefiting all parties involved. Interoperability. For blockchain solutions to be effective, it is crucial that different systems can communicate seamlessly. This interoperability is essential for achieving the full potential of blockchain, particularly in sectors with diverse stakeholders. 3. Differences between sources. While there is a general consensus on the benefits of blockchain, various sources highlight differing challenges and perspectives. Technical complexities. Some reports emphasize the need for standardized protocols and regulatory frameworks to facilitate the integration of blockchain technology, particularly in healthcare where compliance is critical. Cultural resistance. Others point out that cultural inertia within organizations can impede the adoption of blockchain. A shift in mindset and operational practices is often necessary to embrace new technologies fully. Varying readiness levels. Despite an optimistic outlook for adoption rates, some experts caution that actual uptake may differ across industries due to varying levels of investment and readiness to implement blockchain solutions. 4. Complete timeline of events. 2021 to 2023, the initial phase of pilot projects in healthcare and logistics begins showcasing the feasibility and potential benefits of blockchain applications. 2023, a surge in interest and investment from major stakeholders is observed, driven by growing recognition of blockchain's transformative potential across industries. 2024 projected. As digital transformation initiatives gain momentum, organizations are expected to adopt blockchain solutions at scale, aiming for a 50% adoption rate. This shift is anticipated to be fueled by increasing demands for transparency and efficiency. Conclusion. The anticipated rise in blockchain adoption presents a transformative opportunity for industries such as healthcare, real estate, and logistics. The potential benefits, ranging from enhanced security and efficiency to improved interoperability, are significant. However, Stakeholders must navigate the associated challenges of integration and cultural change to fully capitalize on the advantages of this innovative technology. As organizations prepare for widespread implementation, the focus will need to be on overcoming barriers and fostering a collaborative environment that embraces the capabilities of blockchain. The anticipated 50% adoption rate of blockchain solutions in 2024 is positioned to be a pivotal moment for sectors like healthcare, real estate, and logistics. The dynamics of this transformation reveal several counterintuitive aspects that challenge conventional wisdom about technology adoption and its implications in these industries. Counterintuitive insights. 1. Security versus complexity. While blockchain is often heralded for its enhanced security features, the complexity of implementation can paradoxically lead to increased vulnerabilities. Organizations may focus on the perceived security benefits of blockchain without fully understanding the technical nuances required for secure deployment. This complexity can inadvertently create gaps that cybercriminals exploit, suggesting that the mere adoption of blockchain does not guarantee improved security. 2. Transparency leading to reluctance. The promise of transparency, a core benefit of blockchain technology, can actually provoke resistance among stakeholders. In industries like healthcare, where data privacy is paramount, the idea of making certain information more transparent can lead to hesitancy. Stakeholders may fear that increased transparency could jeopardize sensitive patient information or proprietary business data, countering the assumption that transparency is universally welcomed. 3. Efficiency gains versus initial overheads. Although blockchain is anticipated to streamline operations and reduce costs over time, the initial investment and operational overheads can be substantial. This paradox means that organizations may face short-term financial strain before they can reap the long-term benefits of efficiency and cost reduction. The expectation of immediate returns on investment might deter organizations from pursuing blockchain solutions, especially in conservative sectors like real estate. 4. Interoperability challenges. The belief that blockchain can easily integrate with existing systems is misleading. While blockchain is designed to enhance interoperability, the reality is that many legacy systems were not built with this technology in mind. As organizations strive to integrate blockchain with their current infrastructure, they may encounter substantial technical challenges that could negate the expected benefits of smoother interoperability. 5. Cultural resistance versus innovation drive. The innovative potential of blockchain technology is often touted as a means to drive change. However, the cultural resistance within organizations can be a significant barrier. Employees accustomed to traditional processes may resist adopting blockchain-based systems, fearing job displacement or the need to acquire new skills. This resistance can slow down the adoption process, contradicting the notion that innovation will automatically be embraced by all stakeholders. 6. Regulatory compliance versus innovation agility. In heavily regulated industries like healthcare, the need for compliance can stifle innovation. Organizations may find themselves in a paradox where the stringent regulatory environment hinders their ability to adopt blockchain solutions despite the technology's potential to enhance compliance through audit trails and data integrity. This contradiction highlights the difficulty of balancing innovation with the necessity of adhering to regulatory frameworks. 7. Diverse readiness across sectors. The assumption that all sectors will adopt blockchain at a similar rate overlooks the nuanced differences in readiness among industries. While healthcare may face significant barriers due to regulatory issues, logistics may be more prepared to embrace blockchain due to its focus on efficiency and transparency. This divergence suggests that a blanket expectation of a 50% adoption rate fails to account for the unique challenges and drivers present in each sector. Conclusion. The projected rise in blockchain adoption across healthcare, real estate, and logistics presents exciting opportunities. However, the counterintuitive insights highlighted above emphasize the complexities and challenges that accompany this technology. Stakeholders must navigate not only the technical and operational hurdles but also the cultural and regulatory landscapes that can impede progress. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for effectively realizing the transformative potential of blockchain in these key sectors. The anticipated 50% adoption rate of blockchain solutions in 2024 is a significant milestone, particularly due to its transformative implications across key sectors like healthcare, real estate, and logistics. While many discussions around this topic tend to focus on general benefits such as security, transparency, and efficiency, there are several important content aspects within the report that are often overlooked but merit deeper examination. 1. Interoperability challenges. One of the critical points that could be easily overlooked is the emphasis on interoperability. The report indicates that the ability for different blockchain systems to communicate effectively is paramount for successful implementation. This is significant because fragmentation risk. Without standard protocols, the sector could face fragmentation where multiple incompatible systems are developed. This could lead to inefficiencies and a lack of cohesion in services. For instance, if healthcare providers adopt different systems that cannot share data seamlessly, the promise of integrated patient care is undermined. Regulatory compliance in healthcare. Any blockchain solution must adhere to strict regulations such as HIPAA in the US. The complexity of ensuring compliance across various jurisdictions complicates the implementation of interoperable systems. Failure to navigate these regulations could result in legal ramifications and hinder adoption. Investment in standards. The need for industry-wide standards to facilitate interoperability implies a significant investment of time and resources. Stakeholders must prioritize creating these standards to avoid the pitfalls of isolated blockchain solutions that do not communicate with each other. 2. Cultural resistance to change. Another critical but often overlooked area is the cultural resistance within organizations. While technological advancements can offer numerous benefits, the human element remains a significant barrier. Change management. Employees accustomed to traditional processes may resist new technologies, perceiving them as threats to their jobs or requiring substantial retraining. This resistance can slow down the adoption rate and ultimately affect the effectiveness of blockchain technologies. Leadership buy-in. Successful implementation often hinges on strong support from leadership. If leaders are not fully committed to the change, it can create a lack of motivation among employees to adapt to new systems. Education and training. There is a necessity for comprehensive education and training programs to help employees understand the value of blockchain technology. Failure to provide adequate training can lead to poor implementation and user errors, undermining the intended benefits of blockchain. 3. Economic impacts. The report touches on cost reduction but does not deeply explore the broader economic implications of a 50% adoption rate. Job market evolution. The automation and efficiency brought about by blockchain may lead to job displacement in certain sectors. However, it can also create new roles focused on managing and overseeing blockchain systems. Understanding this dynamic is essential for workforce planning and education. Investment shifts. As companies invest in blockchain solutions, there may be shifts in funding away from traditional IT infrastructure. This could influence stock prices and the direction of venture capital investment, impacting overall economic trends in the tech sector. Global trade dynamics. In logistics, the use of blockchain could streamline global supply chains, affecting trade relationships and logistics costs. Countries that adopt these technologies swiftly may gain a competitive advantage in global markets. 4. Sector-specific use cases. While the report mentions general use cases in healthcare, real estate, and logistics, it may not fully account for specific applications within these sectors that could significantly enhance understanding. Healthcare, beyond data sharing. Blockchain can be used for managing clinical trials and ensuring the integrity of research data. The potential for reducing fraud in billing and insurance claims is also noteworthy, which could lead to lower healthcare costs and improved patient trust. Real estate, smart contracts can automate transactions, reducing the time and cost associated with property sales. Additionally, blockchain can provide a transparent history of property ownership, reducing disputes and enhancing trust in transactions. Logistics, real-time tracking of shipments on a blockchain can significantly improve supply chain transparency. This could lead to better inventory management and reduced waste. Additionally, the ability to verify the authenticity of products can combat counterfeiting, particularly in high-value goods. 5. Potential for misuse and ethical considerations. An often overlooked aspect is the ethical implications and potential for misuse of blockchain technology. Data privacy. While blockchain offers enhanced security, the immutability of data can raise concerns regarding privacy. Once data is recorded on a blockchain, it cannot be altered, which may conflict with data protection regulations like GDPR that require individuals to have the right to be forgotten. Energy consumption. The environmental impact of blockchain, especially those using proof-of-work consensus mechanisms, is a growing concern. As adoption rates increase, the energy consumption associated with blockchain operations could become a significant issue, prompting discussions around sustainability. Access inequity. The digital divide could widen if blockchain technologies are adopted without consideration for accessibility. Vulnerable populations may miss out on the benefits of blockchain applications if they lack the necessary technology or training. Conclusion. The anticipated 50% adoption rate of blockchain solutions by 2024 holds transformative potential for industries like healthcare, real estate, and logistics. However, stakeholders must not overlook critical aspects such as interoperability challenges, cultural resistance, economic impacts, specific use cases, and ethical considerations. Addressing these overlooked elements is vital to ensure that the transition to blockchain technology is successful, equitable, and beneficial across all sectors. By proactively managing these challenges, organizations can better position themselves to leverage the full potential of blockchain solutions in the near future. 1. Enhanced security and transparency. One of the most valuable points is the ability of blockchain technology to provide a secure and immutable ledger. This feature addresses significant concerns regarding data integrity and privacy, particularly in sectors where sensitive information is handled, such as healthcare. By enabling secure patient data sharing and reducing the risk of fraud, blockchain not only enhances trust among users but also ensures compliance with regulations, paving the way for broader adoption. 2. Efficiency and cost reduction. The potential for blockchain to automate processes and minimize intermediaries can lead to substantial operational cost reductions and increased productivity. In real estate, for example, blockchain can simplify property transactions and improve title management, thereby reducing the time and costs associated with traditional methods. This efficiency can be a driving force behind the anticipated 50% adoption rate as organizations seek to streamline operations amidst increasing pressure for cost effectiveness. 3. Interoperability and industry standards. The importance of interoperability among various systems is critical for the successful implementation of blockchain solutions across sectors. A unified approach and industry-wide standards are necessary to ensure that different blockchain applications can work together seamlessly. This point highlights a significant challenge that needs to be addressed for widespread adoption, particularly in complex sectors like healthcare, where multiple stakeholders must collaborate effectively. For cultural resistance and change management. While the technological aspects of blockchain are often discussed, the cultural resistance within organizations poses a significant barrier to adoption. The shift towards blockchain requires not only technological upgrades but also a change in mindset and operational procedures. Understanding the human factors and the need for change management strategies is essential for stakeholders to navigate the challenges of integration and fully realize the potential benefits of blockchain technology in their respective industries. 1. The adoption of the Internet in the 1990s, the late 20th century saw the rapid adoption of the Internet across various sectors, transforming communication, commerce, and information dissemination. Initially, businesses were hesitant to fully embrace the technology due to concerns about security, interoperability, and the need for new skill sets. However, as the technology matured and the benefits became more apparent, such as increased efficiency, global reach, and new business models, the adoption rate skyrocketed, leading to significant transformations in industries such as retail, media, and telecommunications. 2. The emergence of e-commerce. In the early 2000s, e-commerce began to gain traction with companies like Amazon and eBay, which revolutionized how consumers shop. The early 2000s were marked by an increase in consumer trust in online transactions, largely due to advancements in payment security and logistics. As businesses recognized the potential for reduced overhead costs and expanded markets, traditional retail began to adapt, leading to a significant shift in the retail landscape that continues to evolve with technology. 3. The rise of cloud computing. In the 2010s, the transition to cloud computing fundamentally changed how businesses manage data and applications. Initially met with skepticism due to concerns about data security, privacy, and the complexities of transitioning from on-premises solutions, organizations gradually embraced cloud services as providers addressed these challenges. The ability to scale quickly, reduce IT costs, and improve collaboration led to widespread adoption across sectors like finance, healthcare, and education, reshaping operational models and enabling digital innovation. Future outlook: anticipated 50% adoption rate of blockchain solutions in 2024. As we look toward 2024, the anticipated 50% adoption rate of blockchain solutions across healthcare, real estate, and logistics presents a watershed moment for these industries. The transformative potential of blockchain technology is becoming increasingly evident, and its integration is poised to redefine operational paradigms. 1. Healthcare transformation. In healthcare, blockchain's impact is expected to be profound. The technology promises secure, decentralized patient data management, enhancing data integrity and reducing fraud. With a projected 50% adoption rate, we can expect enhanced patient privacy. Blockchain will facilitate secure sharing of patient records among healthcare providers, ensuring that sensitive information is only accessible to authorized parties. Streamline clinical trials. Blockchain can improve transparency in clinical trials, ensuring that data is immutable and easily verifiable, thus enhancing trust in research outcomes. Interoperability. The ability of various healthcare systems to integrate seamlessly will be accelerated, allowing for better patient care coordination and a reduction in administrative burdens. 2. Real estate innovations. In real estate, blockchain is set to revolutionize the way property transactions are conducted. The anticipated adoption rate indicates that smart contracts, these will automate property transfers, reducing the need for intermediaries and minimizing transaction costs. Buyers and sellers will benefit from a quicker, more transparent process. Title management. Blockchain can provide a secure, immutable record of property titles, helping to eliminate disputes and fraud related to ownership. Tokenization of assets. Real estate assets can be tokenized, allowing for fractional ownership and making investments more accessible to a broader range of investors. 3. Logistics and supply chain optimization. The logistics sector is on the brink of a major transformation driven by blockchain technology. With a projected 50% adoption rate, we can expect to see real-time tracking. Blockchain will enable real-time tracking of goods throughout the supply chain, enhancing visibility and accountability. Fraud prevention. By providing an immutable ledger, blockchain can help prevent fraud and ensure the authenticity of goods, particularly in sectors like pharmaceuticals and luxury goods. Streamlined processes. Automated processes through smart contracts will reduce delays and inefficiencies, leading to cost savings and improved service delivery. 4. Challenges to consider. While the potential benefits of blockchain are significant, several challenges remain that could affect the pace and extent of adoption. Technical complexities. The integration of blockchain solutions requires robust technical frameworks and industry-wide standards, particularly in sectors like healthcare with stringent regulatory requirements. Cultural resistance. Organizations may face internal resistance to adopting new technologies. Overcoming this inertia will require change management strategies focused on education and demonstrating the value of blockchain. Investment disparities. The level of investment in blockchain technology will vary across sectors. Industries that are more digitally mature may adopt the technology faster than those that are not, leading to uneven progress. 5. Timeline and future predictions. 2021 to 2023, initial pilot projects demonstrate the feasibility of blockchain applications, setting the stage for broader adoption. 2023, increased investment and interest from stakeholders signal a growing recognition of blockchain's potential impact. 2024 projected, with a 50% adoption rate, businesses will prioritize blockchain implementation as part of their digital transformation strategies, driven by demands for greater efficiency and transparency. 2025 and beyond, as blockchain technology matures, we can expect to see more innovative applications, enhanced interoperability, and continued evolution of industry standards, leading to a more integrated and efficient operational landscape. Conclusion. The anticipated 50% adoption rate of blockchain solutions in 2024 heralds a transformative era for healthcare, real estate, and logistics. These changes promise enhanced security, efficiency, and transparency, but stakeholders must navigate technical complexities and cultural barriers to fully realize blockchain's advantages. As adoption increases, we can expect a ripple effect that will not only impact these sectors but also redefine the broader landscape of digital transformation across industries.